In this video, we are going to change the color of our eyes from this to this or this. Before we begin, if you could smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, it will be awesome. Okay, so we are here in Photoshop and this is a cropped image of Venus. We actually did this portrait session to showcase her hair. We are going to use this image for today. Make sure the image you are using have nice eyes, some definition in them, and they are not like completely black. Otherwise, this particular technique will not work properly. Basically, what we want to do is to create an adjustment layer. And how we are going to do that? Go to your layers panel and click on this small icon, the one which looks like a circle with black and white color. If you can't locate your layers panel, go to your top menu, click on window, and in drop down list, click on layers. Once you click on the new adjustment layer, click hue saturation from the list. And this will create a hue saturation layer. Make sure the hue saturation layer is selected and then hit the Ctrl I. This will invert the mask. Notice the color of mask in your layers panel, it turned black. Black means it's not visible and white means it's visible. Now let's take a soft brush and make sure your opacity and flow is 100%. And then we are going to paint on the eyes. Make sure the fore color is selected to white. You can zoom in for more precise painting. You can always come back and refine it afterwards. We are painting white, so that means only that part of the hue saturation layer will be visible. Okay, let's move to the next eye. Press spacebar and drag and repeat. Now let's double click on the layer icon so we can play with our sliders. But we don't see much difference in the color. This is because the base color of the eye is kinda gray. So what do we do now? Well, don't panic. Let's close this and hide this layer. This time, we are going to create a solid color layer. Let's pick a color from her hair. Press Alt and you will see this eyedropper tool and just click somewhere on the hair. Now let's click on a new adjustment layer and select a solid layer color and hit OK in a dialog window. Since it's a solid color, everything is blue now. So let's invert that mask. Make sure the mask is selected and hit Ctrl I. There you go, everything back to normal. Okay, let's paint on the eyes again. Zoom in, select the mask and paint white on the eyes. Once done, you can press Ctrl 0 to fit the image on the screen. In the blending mode here, select color. And you can see instantly it looks so much better. You can adjust the opacity if you like. If you think the color is too intense, just reduce the opacity. I'm going to leave it at 100%. Okay, that's only blue, so how do we change it to red or green or any other color? Click on the new layer icon again, and this time again create a hue saturation layer. When you use the slider, you can see the colors are changing, but the entire image is being affected. We only wanted to affect the eyes. So what we do is click this little icon here. It's a clipping icon. What it will do is it will clip this layer to the layer below it. You can see it in the layers panel as well. What this means is whatever changes we make here, it will only affect the layer below. Now when you use the slider, you will see the color of eyes are changing. Okay, so that wasn't so hard, was it? Let me just fine tune our mask a bit. Just paint black here a bit and we are good to go. If you like this video, please like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.